Stylish, simple and affordable, Platinum's premium multi-function oven has been upgraded from 9 to 13 functions. This entirely new built-in oven from Platinum is the easy way to bring contemporary design and effortless cooking to your kitchen. With a brand new platform and modern look, featuring a black glass door, slim stainless steel fascia panel, and stainless steel trim accent, this oven will complement any new kitchen. With Platinum's new 13-function oven, it's never been easier to achieve amazing cooking results. It's equipped with a large digital display, optional timer function, and child lock. The triple glazed panoramic door remains cool and safe to touch during operation. This is achieved by an intelligent cooling system that generates airflow between the glass layers, while also preventing high condensation levels inside the oven cavity. The oven's digital display also allows for 24-hour time display, visible even when not in operation. It may look super sophisticated, but it's designed entirely for functionality. It's jam-packed with practical functions like preheat, dough proofing, and eco-fanned forced, just to name a few, on top of 10 additional functions for the serious cook. With 5 adjustable shelf positions and a huge 82-litre capacity, you can cater for the whole family with ease. It features 2 wire racks, a baking tray, and a grill insert, so you can cook and bake everyone's favourite dish to your heart's content. Similar to other ovens in the Platinum range, you can easily remove the chrome side racks and the oven door, so keeping your oven clean is effortless. Equipped with a 15-amp plug and with no hard wiring required, it's a breeze to install as well. Enhance your kitchen with one of our beautiful new ovens today.